So, so hi guys. Today we'll talk about blockchain, and we'll talk about the basic introduction of blockchain, and we'll start with talking about the trust and the problem with the trust, right? But before that, let's recap what we have already done. So we have talked about the web technology, right? Wherein we have talked about the client server model, the three-tier architecture, and the centralized system. We have also talked about the pros and cons of the centralized system. So let's start with the trust. So what is trust? So trust is a feeling that you can rely on some person to be honest, faithful, and respectful, right? As you can see in this figure, where this guy is trusting the other person to be so that they can catch him, right? So that's his assumption. But what's the problem? The problem arises when the trust gets destroyed. As you can see in the next image, where this person was trusting that the people out there will catch him, but unfortunately they got busy into their phone, and then the trust got destroyed, right? So as if the degree of trust is high, there is a high probability of trust getting destroyed, right? And if that happens, then you feel bad, betrayed, scared to trust again, and things like that. In case of centralized system, right? You remember we talked about the centralized system where there is a one server, and then all clients are connected to that server, and hence forming a network. In that system, there is a high trust on the centralized server, right? Because the clients have the fear that if the server goes down, the whole network gets down, right? And we talked about some of the disadvantages of the centralized system, where like single point of failure, high trust, high dependency, bad politics, and things like that, right? So in case of centralized system, the degree of trust is very high. Now, because the degree of trust is very high, there is a high probability of trust getting destroyed, right? So that's the concept of trust and the problem in trust.